Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to set up ActiveCampaign with Callingly. And the example we're going to walk through is a form submission through a form that I've created on ActiveCampaign that collects some basic lead details, one of them being the lead's contact information. And that's automatically sent through to Callingly that can then trigger its automated response call. So to get started, we're going to first have to set up an integration between Callingly and ActiveCampaign. And to do that, as you can see on my Callingly dashboard, I'm going to head over to integrations. Now, in integrations, there's a set of native integrations, one of them being ActiveCampaign. So let's give that a connect, and it asks for a API URL and API key. Now, in order to get this information, we will have to go to our ActiveCampaign account. So let's head over there. So here's my ActiveCampaign account. And as you can see, I have this form already created, which is what I'm going to use to gather any lead information. But before we dive into that, we need to ensure that our ActiveCampaign connects with our Callingly. So one way is going right here to our ActiveCampaign API. But another way you can access this in case that's not available in another view for you is by heading to Settings and then heading to Developer. And right here you can see our API access details. So we have our URL. So let's give that a copy and paste it here in our API URL. And we also have our API key. So let's give that a copy, paste it here, and then we hit save. So here's all the information. So we know that when a lead comes in through this integration, it's going to be routed to our main team. And if we have other teams available, we can select that here. I don't. Then when a specific contact has a tag in ActiveCampaign, that's what will trigger a call. And in this case, the tag we need to give in ActiveCampaign is called Callingly. And similarly, with a successful call or with a missed call, here are the tags that it looks for after a specific call has been made. So now if we hit save, what we need to do then is ensure that these tags are applied to any new information that we capture on ActiveCampaign related to a customer, or sorry, to a lead. So let's hit save there. So our ActiveCampaign integration is updated on Callingly. And now let's go back to ActiveCampaign and head over to our form. Okay, so here's our form. Now within our form, this is essentially the main view where you can customize your fields, add in new fields. Now in options, it gives you settings on what happens when a form submission occurs. So on submit, it prompts this message, and then it carries out this action, which is it takes the lead information and adds it to our ActiveCampaign's master contact list. Now, in addition to this, we want to ensure that there's a tag that's applied to each contact. So if we go to add an action here and we hit add a tag, here we can insert that tag we told Callingly to look for, which was Callingly. So let's add that in. And now if we actually test our form, so if we go to integrate, let's grab just the link view of our form and we'll paste it in there. So here's our form. And we're going to submit our information. And when we hit submit, what that should do is it should send that data over to Callingly and trigger an automated callback. So let me just test that here. Okay, so I'm going to hit submit and we'll jump over to Callingly to see if it comes through on that end. So it's a successful submission, and boom, there it is. Incoming lead, John ActiveCampaign, john@callingly.com. Now I can view the lead information, or I can head to my leads here where it shows that now I've been submitted as a lead. So that's pretty much it. That's what this is all about. and hope you guys got a sense of how to carry out a integration setup using ActiveCampaign and Callingly. Thanks for watching.